Latest crypto and NFT news. Polygon-based NFT marketplace to launch in 2023. Polygon blockchain is gearing up to launch its own NFT marketplace LGND Music, a platform where users can buy, sell, and trade music NFTs, in early 2023. The network recently signed a multi-year deal with Warner Music Group labels and Spinnin Records to bring their artists' work as NFTs onto the platform. Polygon will launch both the browser and app for LGND Music, giving a similar experience to Spotify and iTunes in Web3 to support music. The marketplace will support a high-res audio blockchain-secured collectible called Virtual Vinyl, similar to NFTs. The vinyl holds a utility to receive VIP access to live tickets, rewards, and special personal access to fans. In partnership with Warner Music, different artists and bands like Coldplay, Charli XCX, J Balvin, Madonna, Ed Sheeran, Isaiah, Camila Cabello, Lehigh, Pitbull, Cardi B, and more will release their own digital collectibles and interactive experiences for fans. Visit our website for more news.